Hello guys and welcome back. Today, we're comparing Big Linux and Ubuntu, two Linux systems that look similar but work very differently. Let's find out which one fits you better. Big Linux is a Brazilian Linux system built on Manjaro, which itself comes from Arch Linux. Think of it as a ready-to-go gaming and multimedia machine. It uses the Big Store app that lets you install programs from multiple sources including AUR, Flatpak, and Snap packages. The system uses KDE Plasma for its desktop, which looks modern and runs smooth. Big Linux follows a rolling release model, meaning you get constant updates instead of waiting for major versions. It's designed to work right out of the box with gaming support, graphic drivers, and media tools already set up. Ubuntu releases a new version every 6 months, with LTS versions every 2 years that get 5 years of support. It's based on Debian and uses the GNOME desktop by default. Ubuntu has a huge community support with forums like Ask Ubuntu where you can find answers to almost any problem. It's the most popular Linux system for both beginners and businesses. The Software Center is simple to use, and Ubuntu 24.04 added features like better window tiling, firmware updates, and remote desktop support. It's known for being stable and reliable. Big Linux is better if you want the newest software immediately and love customizing everything. It's optimized for gaming with tools like Steam and Lutris ready to go. The learning curve is steeper, but you get more control. Ubuntu wins for stability and beginner friendliness. Updates are tested longer before release, and the community is massive, so finding help is easy. It's perfect for work computers and servers where reliability matters most. Choose Big Linux if you're a gamer, content creator, or a tech enthusiast who wants cutting-edge software. Choose Ubuntu if you need a stable, well-supported system for daily work, or you're new to Linux. Both are excellent, just for different people. That's it guys, let me know which one you prefer in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.